Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to harvest in our small backyard garden. Here are the onions that I have planted in 4 containers. They turn out great and we're going to harvest it now. In here we have yellow onions, red onions, and white onions as well. If you are interested to see how I planted my onions, you can check the link below. We use a lot of onions, so I decided to plant more. So now this is the onions that I just harvested in the 4 containers that I have. Look! That's a lot! So now let's check the beets that I have planted from seeds. Goodness, take a look at this. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's one right here that's bigger. I don't think that one too. And that one too. Look at this! Wow! That's amazing! They look beautiful! Now that's a good harvest. Here's another pepper that we can harvest. I have planted it in a container and it's doing very well. Whoa! Look what I found! Let's look at it. Wow! My first cucumber. Look at that. The kale continued to produce and we're just enjoying it. All the vegetables here in our small backyard are all organic, pesticides free, and grown from seeds. In my garden, I only used my homemade compost and my organic homemade fertilizer, which is consist of banana peel and eggshells. If you like to see on how I made my homemade fertilizer and my compost, you can check the link below. So now these beans, I've been harvesting this for 3 times now and it's just loaded. So let's harvest more. Here's my blueberry plant, and in the spring I fertilize it with coffee grounds, eggshells, and banana peel. Look how prolific it is. See the berries? It just never stops. So we're just gonna harvest some. So this is our mid-July harvest in our small backyard. So in here we have the kale, the raspberries, some beets, tons of onions. I have red onions, yellow onions, and the white onions. The blueberry, the flat beans, and one of my pepper, and my first cucumber. So I'm very pleased. This is only July and this is how much I got. I hope this inspired you to grow your own food in your backyard. And if you don't have a space or you don't have a backyard, there's always an option. You can try to plant your vegetables in a container or a grow bag as well. Or you can find out in the city if there is a community garden that you can rent a plot. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now!